If you're tired of typing the same email sign-off, calendar link, or reply over and over, stop. Today, I'm showing you how to build a Wispr Flow snippet, so you just say a trigger word and it types the whole thing for you. Let's jump in. First, open the Wispr Flow app. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Snippets. This is basically your library of voice shortcuts. Now click Add New. That pops open the snippet creation box. This is where the magic happens, so let's fill it in. In the snippet field, type the trigger word, the phrase you'll actually say out loud. I'll use email signature. Then in the expansion field, type exactly what you want it to insert. For me, that's my full sign-off, name, title, and email. Once that looks good, click Add Snippet, or just hit Command plus Enter if you're on a Mac, Control plus Enter on Windows. And just like that, it's saved and shows up right in your snippets list. Let's actually test it. I'll click into an email, hold my Wispr Flow shortcut, and just say email signature. And boom, it types the whole sign-off for me instantly. No more retyping the same thing 50 times a day. That's it. That's all it takes to build your own voice shortcut. Go make one for your email signature, your calendar link, or that canned reply you send constantly. Try it out and let me know how much time it saves you.